Good morning, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Snowstorm. First snowstorm in New York City 2022. New York Public Library. West 42nd Street and 5th Avenue. Give me a win. You can find New York Public Library here. And the next New York Public Library is Bryant Park. Dan ada ice skating here. Tapi tutup ternyata. So this is Bryant Park, guys. So we're going to guys, kita sekarang pergi ke Central Park. Central Park, guys. It's a beautiful day in the Central Park, New York City. Sekarang pulang, guys. See you for the next vlog.